what exactly happening, because we are working as a tech support engineer or system admin or a server admin or network admin, depends on the interest course. Now question, so again coming back to the same point, computer understand only binary language. Now question arise, we don't know if I'll type, not sorry, if I'll type this number, we are not able to understand what exactly it means. We'll just read out the number as like 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 something. We'll just read out, but we don't know the exactly what this number represents. However, if I will type, so if I'll type like this, we can able to identify like uh, 1 lakh 43,000, sorry, 1 crore 43 lakh 44,222. We can able to understand it. So this number, it may be a number, it may be a value of the particular what like a item. For example, I have a there is a these many items are loaded in the container while shipping the such items from one country to another country. If the consider, if it's like they wanted to ship it, these many items they have stored in the container, and using ship they are moving from country to country. So this number represent, it may be item, it may be a number, it may be like a money means if you are ensured like a rupee symbol, then it's like a money. If they are not mentioned rupees, they will mention like some other digit. So if they mention like a dollar, it's like a, this is a dollar value. So we can able to understand what exactly this number, but here we are not able to understand. But the question remains again same. So if you type 1 lakh 43,000, we can able to at least understand. But how the computer will recognize this is the number what you typed, means what it's exactly trying to do it. It is exactly trying to convert this value into the binary value. This may not be the correct one, whatever it's represent, but general what I'm trying to say here, whatever text message you type, whatever numbers you are given, everything is converted. Even if it is domain name, if it is a google.com or your learn.com, or it's like a google.com or hotmail.com, yahoo.com, instagram.com, whatever your website name you are giving, it may be .net or .org. Suppose your college name is like, for example, Brindavana College, brindavana.org, brindavana.net, .edu, whatever the website name comes, that is converting to the IP address. But the IP address is only understood. IP address again, it will convert into the binary format. Now, so today topic is how the exactly the backend conversion takes place. What do you mean by the IP address? How the IP address will be categorized? How do you need to recognize? In the GCP console, you will find two IP addresses. One is private and another is the public. Private IP address is a communication between the server and the client computers. Suppose you made one like a domain controller, you want to make you wanted to connect one more client computer to that one, you will create one more virtual machine that will align with a 10.ip range, and you will get some public IP like it's 34, it may be 36 something, that is keep changing whenever you restart the virtual machine. But here our question remains same. Computer is utilizing the IP address to connect or communicate with one of the computer to the another computer. You are in your phone, you are using WhatsApp, other person is also using WhatsApp. So what's happening? You are just forwarding the message. But what in the backend, what's happening? Your IP address, your WhatsApp account located in one of the server, and that is communicating with another server. I mean to say like, so your WhatsApp account is here. You don't know, you are in India and your friend is in, he's also in India, or he's like in different part, or he may be like a different area. You are in first cross, he may be in a second cross. Or consider you are forwarding same message who are next to your sitting next to your brother. This is what the outer picture, but exactly this your WhatsApp account located in one of the server and his WhatsApp account located is another server, or it may be in the same server, but server to server or client to client is communicating with the help of IP address. But the IP address is in what number? It's like a numbers, like in the 10 dot series, or it may be a 11 dot series. It may be like any number. This is the IP address number. But this number doesn't understood by the computer. Ultimately, this will again convert into the combination of zeros and ones. So today in the class session, we will discuss that. What do you mean by decimal number? What do you mean by binary numbers? How the conversion takes place. So just like an introduction. Okay. Now, here, now deci means what? Okay, this is, okay. 1 minute. I'll just increase the text size. Decimal. Deci means what? Decimal means 10. Decimal means 10. Okay. And octal means 8. Binary, sorry, hexadecimal means 16. How? Hexa means 6, deci means 10 is equal to 16. One more is binary. Bi means 2, 0. Okay. This is the what the value. Okay. Now the decimal value is there here. Okay. This decimal value, how the counting starts? 0 to 9. This we have already studied. Do you have any idea, understanding? If you are understanding, I'll move on to the next topic. Other guys? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Do you have an understanding? Do you have idea how it works?
Yeah, number system.
Okay. So in the schooling time, you might have heard the what like this number system. Even in college also, like especially who are doing engineering, it may be like a diploma, or it may be BCA or BCom, BE. So this is the number system. Is the first chapter or first topic in any first year you are studying. Chetan, do you have understanding?
Basic is this. Basic.
Okay. If it doesn't know, that's fine. That's fine. But only the thing is that assumption doesn't work. That's what I mean to say. Okay, now this 0 to 9 combinations numbers. So suppose if I will type the number as 2345, 2345. So this is understood that this value is in the range of 2000. Means it is in the range of what? 1000 value. If I mention like 234, this is in the range of hundreds value. Is it clear? Why it's 100? Because it's a 3 digit. If it's the value only 23. So this is in the range of tens value. Like tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, in that range. If it's 234, this is a 3 digit number. Ultimately, it comes in a hundreds form. It will like 100, 200, 300, 400, means ending with 100. So this value is ending with what? It comes under 1000 category. 1000 category, like 1000, 2000, 3000. So this is the 2345. This is the general number. Now this number, what we are going to do? So this number, how it will convert into the binary. That is what's the today's topic. It may be any number. So now this decimal number is, I will delete the other two. This decimal number 2345 or 2345. Okay, this is the decimal number. Okay, now how it represent? This value is what? Decimal value. Decimal value represented by 10. Okay, decimal value is represented by 10. Okay, now we will divide, or means split. So this decimal value, this is in the which range? 1000 range. 1000. This is a 2345, 1000 range. 1000 range means what? This is the 4 digit number. This is how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. This is the 1000 value. If I mention like 0, if I'll add 1 0, means this is like in the 10,000 range, because this is a 5 digit number. 23,450. Okay. Now this is the position number 0, 1, 2, 3. Computer terminology point of view, counting starts from 0, but from in our terms, counting starts from 1. So how we will count? 1, 2, 3, 4. But computer counting starts from 0. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
So our counting starts from 1. So we'll consider like 1 to 10. We'll start rehearsing the number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. But in computer terminology, counting starts from 0, not from 1. So 10, this is the 0th digit, first digit, second digit, third digit. Okay. But in our term, this is the first digit, this is second digit, third digit, fourth digit. But for computer terminology, 0, 1, 2, 3 digit. Okay. Now, so since it's a decimal value, we will consider it as 10 to the power of 0. From where this 0 comes, this is a 0th position. Position is called as here power value. This is 1. Why it's 1? 1 is nothing but the position value. In our turn, in our language, 1 is nothing but this is the second position, this is the third position, this is the fourth position. But computer terminology, counting starts from 0, so we are considering in this way. Does my screen is visible for you?
Yeah, sir. Visible.
Okay. So this is 2. So the same position value we are representing as a power value. Clear? This is 10. From where this 10 came? This number itself a decimal number. So that's the reason we are representing as 10. So this is called as base value. This is called as base value. Which one is called a base value? 10 is called as base value. And the other value is called as power value. So this is 10 to the power of 3. From where this 3 came? 3 is nothing but a position. 10 is nothing but a base value. What is this base value? Why it's 10? Why not some other number? Because this 2, 3, 4, 5 falls under decimal number. And this 3 to whatever you are representing, this is called as power value. So how do you pronounce? It is called as, how do we pronounce? We'll pronounce it as 10 to the power of 0. How do we pronounce? Clear? And
Yeah, sir.
this value, how we are pronouncing? Sorry. This we are representing as 10 to the power of 1. This is 10 to the power of 2. This is 10 to the power of 3. Why 10? Because this is the decimal number. Then from where this power value comes? So we are split all 4-digit number into the different positions. So in our terminology, counting starts from 1, but from computer point of view, counting starts from 0. So this is the 0th position, this is first position, this is second position, this is third position. Okay, so this whatever we are representing like 0, 1, 2, 3, the same we are position value, we are taking it as a power value. Clear? Till now, is it clear? Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now this 2, 3, 4, 5 value, what we are going to do is we will convert it to the binary. Okay. We want to convert into the binary value. So binary value is nothing but combination of 0 and 1. In our decimal value, what is the combination? It may be like 0 to 9. Any combination it comes, that is called the decimal. Suppose it may be like a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, this one. Consider this is your mobile number. Okay. Okay. Is it correct? 10 is a mobile number. Okay. This mobile number, whatever, this is a decimal value. How we can say it's a decimal value? Because decimal value, what it says, decimal value falls between 0 to 9. 0 to 9, any number comes within 0 to 9, then it's called as decimal value.
This is
See here, this 9 is also part of decimal. 8 is also part of this 0 to 9 list. 7 is also part of 0 to 9 list. 5 is also part of 0 to 9 list. Is it clear? So this entire value, whatever each digit we are considering it, If we are considering each digit falls under this 0 to 9 list. Similarly, here also the zeros and ones are clubbed together, like 0, 1, 0, 0. Just taking an example. It may be like counting, it may take like 7 digit, it may like a 10 digit. But binary language, we are considering it like a set of 8 bits. We will make a set of 8 bits. That is what the standard for the IP addressing point of view. For mobile number point of, what is the standard? The mobile number should be a 10 digit number. Do you get any mobile number which is 8 digit or 12 digit?
No,
Yes,
sir.
no, no.
No.
So that's the standard they have set. Similarly, whatever the IP address you are setting, that should be a 8 bits number. This 8 bits is nothing but 8 bits is called as terminology as 1 byte. 8 bits is called as 1 byte. I'll come to here. 8 bits, combination of 8 bits are called as 1 byte. See, this is a capital B, this is a small b. Small b means bits, capital B means byte. Okay. Now, combination of 4 bits, understand terminology, is called as 1 nibble. Combination of 16 bits, sometime you may heard like a 32 bits, is called as 1 word. And similarly, 1024 bits is equal to 1 kilobyte. Not bits. What you may heard a term called as 1 KB. I'll make it clear here. Coming here. I'll come here. 1001 KB means what? 1000. So in our terminology, sorry, in our terminology, 1000 is called as 1 kilo. But in computer terminology, 1024 represent 1 kilobyte. Similarly, 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabytes. 1 megabyte shortly write MB. Okay, 1024 megabytes equal to 1 gigabytes. That's called as GB. So question arises, why we are going to learn about this, because we are using this terminology where we are using this KB, MB, GB, where you are using it may be your mobile storage. Your mobile storage is like sometime RAM capacity say like 16 GB RAM. That storage capacity say like 128 GB of hard disk space. It may be of mobile space or it may be a mobile memory. It may be a like hard disk capacity. Sometime they will say like a 1 terabyte hard disk I have. So 1 terabyte is nothing but what? 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte, means TB. Again, it will Greek terminology keep continued. These are all Greek words. Now, what I'm see, whatever computer or mobile device or internet speed, what they say, it's a 200 GB internet broadband speed you will get. 200 GB is a downloading capacity. Speed they are giving like a Mbps or Gbps. You might have heard like it's a 200 Mbps speed. Your internet speed. Listen here, will come in here. 200 Mbps internet speed. 200 Mbps, for example, Airtel. Okay, Airtel. So see, they offer the plan. What there's 200 Mbps. Can you see this small b? Small b represents bits. Capital B represents bytes. So this 200 Mbps. Why they are mentioning Mbps? From where this megabits will come? Again, coming to the same concept. 1024 bits equal to 1 megabytes. 1024 bits is equal to, not bits, sorry, 1024 kilobits equal to 1 megabits or 1 m small b, not capital B. Listen this one. There it is. Okay. This is a small b. This is a capital B. The same thing here you can differentiate. Here they have mentioned like small b's, means it is work in the bit by bit, not by byte by byte. Byte by byte means at a time it will send 8 bits at a time. That's called as bytes. When they use a small b means it will send the instructions by one. Means suppose like in the movie theater, suppose you are purchasing a like buying a ticket, you are going like line by line, means candidate by at a time only one candidate can pick the ticket or buy the ticket. How the megabyte work? At a time eight candidates can able to take the tickets at a time. That's called as byte. If the eight people are can able to at in one shot at a time, eight people can take the pick the tickets, then that's called as byte. If the one person can take at a time one ticket means that's called as bit by, first this person, later this, later this, later this. So one by one they are taking picking the or buying the tickets, counter by counter. Suppose instead of suppose consider to buy one particular ticket, you are taking, it's taking 2 minutes of time. Consider there is only one counter. So here, how many members are there? Three members are there. Three. So each will take 2 minutes, means total 6 minutes. Suppose instead of that, we have three different counter. What will happen? Each will go to the one counter. So the time taken to take the same ticket for all three members become remain same, 2 minutes only. So similarly, when the bit by bit data transferred, speed would be lesser. When the data transferred in byte by byte, then the data transfer is faster. Are you getting my point? Byte will faster speed compared to bit speed. That's the reason you need to understand. Now, coming back to the same here, here we are, 1 byte. Okay. Now, combination of this 1 and 0, which is combination of how many bits? Which is a combination of 8 bits. This 8 bits combination is called as 1 octet. 1 octet. This octet word, we will learn more, we will refer more in IP addressing. Till now it's clear.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So that I can move on to the next part. That's it. I'll share you these notes. This is the move. Sorry. This is the movie theater example. Instead of one person standing in one counter at a time, 3 or 4 person, 8 person, 8 counters will open, means in the during the same time, 8 people will get a ticket at a time. So that will be like speed up the process. Same way like bit by bit transfer. One by one data transfer means speed is slower compared to byte by byte data transfer. So that's the reason your hard disk capacity they mentioned like capital GB. Okay. Let's see here. Don't go with what they mentioned here. 132 GB free of 237 GB. Can you able to see my screen? Hello.
Yeah, sir. Visible.
So what they mentioned, 237 GB. G is also in capital, B is also in capital. Means what? The data transfer rate in terms of byte by byte, not bit by bit. Where do we understand? Where do we use the word bit by bit? So if you are using this picture where it is 200 Mbps, here M is in caps, but B is in small letter. Small letter means why? It is data is transferring by bit. Clear? Okay. Now
Okay.
coming to the topic, where it is our topic here. Now I will just increase the space size. Sorry. Come on, man. Here I am. Now what we are going to do, I will give a task to you. You can also do it. Now I want to convert the same number 2345. How it will divide it? This is the binary number. Okay. This 2345, when they wanted to convert it to decimal, when they see when the decimal to binary process taking place, decimal to binary process, binary um, conversion process. When this is happening, when this is happening, now what is happening? This is a decimal number. Decimal number I wanted to convert into binary. Binary means we have to divide by 2. Why we have to divide by 2? Why not by 10? If we divide by 10, the ultimately whatever value comes, that is again a decimal value only. Clear? If you divide 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 10, what is the value we'll get? We'll get a value as 234.5. Then what is this type of value? It's again a decimal value. So when you are converting the decimal value to binary, you have to divide by 2. When you divide by 2, you'll get the value either in the 0 or in the 1. Okay, what is the value? 2 ones are 2. You divide it. How you do like a manual division task. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll divide it here. 2 ones are 2. Okay, 0. What is the next value? Pick the next value. That is 3. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. What is the next value? Pick the next value. Next value is what? 4. 2 sevens are 14. 0, 0. What is the next value? 5. So you are dividing until the last value should become 0 or 1. Okay. 2 twos are 4. What is the value comes? 1. What the value came? 1. The value come as 1. This is called as a reminder. Okay. Okay. Reminder value you are writing here. I'll wipe it this one. So reminder value I am writing here. Okay. What is this result value comes? 1172. Okay. This is the value comes. Now this one we are again dividing. Why we are adding? Until the last value become 0. 2. This one 1 again divide. 1172. You have to do like 2 5s are 10. Again, so you are you able to Satiska Sadek Chetan, are you able to understand the how the schooling time division we are doing? Same way we
Yeah.
are doing here. Okay. Again, this one you have to divide like 2 5s are 10. Again, 1 will come. 2 8s are 16. Again, 1 will 2 6 are 12. So this reminder become here 0 because the last value is what? Even value. Even value means always will come 0. If it's odd value, then the value comes as last value is 1. So this one again divide 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18, 2 threes are 6, 0. This one keep divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 six are 12. This is again value. See, this is odd value. Odd value means 1 will come. How the 1 can? Just to do the division here. 293 divided by 2. You do this division part, you will get this as the value result, and this is called as a reminder. Now again 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6. So reminder value here 0 because the last value comes as even value. Keep dividing. 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12. Reminder value become 1. 2 8 ones are 2 eights are. Reminder value becomes 0. Just understood because the last value is here even value. 2 nines are 18. 0. Okay. I will just reduce the size of this. Okay. Now this is a 9 value. Again we have to divide because last value is not 1. 2 fours are 8. Remainder value is 1. 2 twos are 4. Remainder value is 0. So last value 2 ones are 2. Remainder value is 0. So the last value is what? Here now came as 1. So how do we read? We have to read from the bottom to top. What value comes? It comes as 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Is it true? Or let's see. Let's will count it here. This is the 1. This is the 0 0 1. 4 digit, you count it. 1 0 0 1. Okay. This is 0 0. 2 values. 0 0. 2 values. Next. 1 0 1 0 0. 5 digit number. 1 0 1 0 0. 5 digit number. Last value is 1. This is 1. How many bits here it is? 1 2 3. How many bits are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These are 12 bits. So these are how many will? These are 12 bits value. Okay. Now how do we represent here? Represent as 2 3 4 5. Okay. Value converted as 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. How do we write here? As a whether it's a binary or decimal. In the schooling time, we will mention it here in the bracket 10. Here we will write as a bracket as 2. If you will not write 2, then this value we are considering generally considered as a decimal value. Okay. Clear? Are you getting my point? What how we are going to convert? As of now, you just understand how decimal to binary conversion process takes place. Any questions, any doubts in this?
Oh, sir.
है या सो गए कहाँ गए तुम लोगों को respond, see you have to respond, otherwise I will be confusion state. Till
Yeah,
now here clear?
yeah, sir, clear, clear.
Okay, now you have to do one exercise for me. Kindly convert the value of 165. This value, decimal value, convert into binary value. That's a homework for you. 165. Show the result. You have to, you just share your screen and just let me.